this problem from the preliminaries of tensor calculus, and the problem is if the relation aijbj this is equal to 0 hold for any arbitrary contravariant vector vi, okay, and we have to show that aij this is equal to 0. From the relation, the given relation is aijbj this is equal to 0. Clearly the indices j is in the summation convention, so we can write this relation as ai1 v1 plus ai2 v2 to this is n bn this is equal to 0. Since there is no given value of j and since j is in summation convention, so we take j this is equal to 1 to n, right, and this relation hold for I this is equal to 1 to n, okay. Now it is given that the contravariant vector vi is arbitrary, it is given arbitrary, so we can take v1 this is equal to 1, v2 this is equal to 0, and all the other component of v this is equal to 0. Since here given that vi is arbitrary, so we can take vi is this, okay. Now if we put all the value of vi here, we get the relation as, if we name this relation as relation number 1, then from 1 by putting the value of v1 v2 and vn we get a1i this is equal to 0. Also we can take v1 this is equal to 0, v2 this is equal to 1, v3 this is equal to 0, and so on vn this is equal to 0. Now putting this value of vi in relation number 1, we get from 1 or 1 imply we write a2i this is equal to 0, and similarly if we take v1 this is equal to 0, v2 this is equal to 0, and vn this is equal to 1, okay, then 1 imply ani this is equal to 0, and clearly from we get all the relation from 1 and write it together as aij this is equal to 0, okay, and this is nothing but our required result. Here very easy problem of tensor calculus. Thank you for watching.